Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Iced Carbonated Hot Chocolate, Calamansi Citrus, and Strawberry. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug from this Maymel bowl. Then you open up the hot chocolate mix, and then you put 2 teaspoons of the hot chocolate mix into this mug. Then after that, you add in the hot chocolate, not the hot chocolate, but the hot water. Then after that, you add in the Calamansi citrus and strawberry sparkling water into this mug. Add a little more water. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated hot chocolate, Calamansi citrus, and strawberry. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace and cheers. Also, have a good summer. Thank you.